Hello and welcome to Module 6 of Business Intelligence course. In this module, I'll introduce you to Tableau and how to use Tableau for business intelligence. Tableau is one of the best business intelligence, data visualization, and data analytics tools we have today in the world. Tableau empowers individuals and organizations to transform raw data into meaningful insight. It also helps to create visually captivating stories and generate actionable insights. This module is structured to offer both foundational knowledge and practical skills to help you learn about Tableau capabilities. So let us begin this journey of discovery, exploration, and empowerment.